everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to be planning out Saturday in my half letter discs using the cloth and paper undated daily inserts. Okay, so this week has basically kicked my ass. The last time I touched my planner was Wednesday, and even then I didn't check things off. That's just the reality of how this week went at work, which is fine. I don't know that I'll go back and fill things in. So these pages do feel a little bit wasted. That's my only hesitancy with undated pages or even dated pages and using all of these stickers and then not necessarily touching my daily planner because life is just hectic right now. So I love kind of getting a chance to do these weekend plan with you guys because I feel like you guys see the majority of just the weekday with me. So I thought I'd sprinkle some of these in here from time to time. So it is Saturday. We've got to get some stuff done. Oh my gosh. So it feels like last Saturday we didn't get a lot done because we were waiting on the delivery of our appliances. Plus I was sick. It ate up pretty much most of the day. So there's that, but now we'd really like to get some things done while also enjoying the weekend. So date header is already on there. Let's start on this side of the page. I'm just going to put my usual priorities in here. So the first one is going to be my medication and vitamins. So we'll get that in there, and I am using the Pilot Precise V5. If you guys have watched a few of my last couple of videos, you'll know that I am absolutely loving this pen. It just works well on all kinds of paper, and even though it's a 0.5, it really writes like a 0.7. If you use the Erin Condren paper, it definitely writes like a 0.7. So if this is your kind of pen, you're really gonna like it, and it's needle tip, which is one of my favorites. So there's that. All right, medication first, and then vitamins. I also, one of the things that I have been struggling with this week is that I have not worked out at all. I think I mentioned this in my weekly plan with me. I just kind of felt like I hadn't really recovered from being sick over the weekend. I did not recover quickly at all. I probably started to feel back to normal on Thursday. And by then I was like, I'm not feeling like getting on the bike. Actually, that's not true. We did work out Tuesday. Jesse and I did a HIIT workout together. It was short, but it was intense. I still wasn't 100% feeling it, but we'll get back into it. I really do hope to try and squeeze something in on Saturday. I think that would be good. Now, my water consumption has been better. I am pretty proud of myself for that because I've really made that a priority, because once you're sick the way that I was sick, recovering from that can take a little bit longer. It's just not as fun. All right, so workout, we'll see if we will get that done. I would absolutely love to. All right, on the to-do list, I want to take my car to the car wash. Haven't been in quite a while, probably over a month, and my car is getting kind of gross. So there's that. We have to catch up on some yard work, and that's part of one of the errands that we're running tomorrow. So that's going to be good to catch up on. Kind of like our fall prep stuff, weed and feed, all that. I think we're putting down grass seed. I can't remember what the plan was. Jesse's all into this whole making our lawn fabulous thing, and I'm just okay, just tell me where to put the rake. All right. I also want to work on the meal plan for next week. And I think I briefly mentioned, so last week before, that I had been using, I don't even keep my books in this thing, in the EC folio, but I have been using this for a few weeks now for meal planning and grocery shopping and all of that fun stuff. And I've actually really liked it. I used it for a while a few years back, and it's been really, really helpful. Also, it's nice and small, just to toss in your bag, so that's great. I will need to put away laundry because it is Friday night when I am filming this, and I am doing like about 6 or 7 loads of laundry tonight. At least that's the plan anyway. We fell a little bit behind. Like when I say that this week was hectic, like we didn't even do our midweek laundry that we normally do on Wednesday. And yeah, it was not good. So we definitely got to get that done. Also want to do some other cleaning around the house, but I'm not going to like spell out every single thing that I need to get done. All right, for content, I'm going to get this video up that you guys are watching right now. I'm also going to work on some reels. As a matter of fact, it's Friday night when I'm filming this. I have already filmed 5 reels since I got home from work. I don't know where this sudden energy came from, but I did. I do this thing, which I'm sure a lot of people do, that make reels. I have saved a lot of audio to use, and I have had no time to actually get it done. And suddenly I was like in the mood for it. I just have to be in the mood to film reels. It's just one of those things. And a lot of times I don't like filming them very far in advance. I was actually looking at my drafts, and there are 10 reels sitting there. And if I film them too far in advance, they feel sometimes a little bit irrelevant. And they just don't make sense by the time I get around to them. So I don't like to really film those in advance. I don't like doing a lot of things too far in advance. So I actually just put one up today that literally I had filmed like 3 minutes before it went up. Those just seem to be my favorites. So anyway, work on reels, share this daily plan with me. And then I need to really follow up on some emails. I'm also behind on all of that. And of course, go through my comments and messages. I try to stay on them right when I post something, but it doesn't always end up being that way. And then I want to try to prep for next week. And I'm already rethinking my content strategy, whatever the heck you want to call it. I think I want to go back to using, so for about 2-3 years in a row, I used a Erin Condren Monthly Deluxe for my content planner. And I stopped using that system for whatever reason. I've tried other systems and they really haven't worked for me. But I kind of got this idea from Sam over at Happily Housewives. She took a planner and put it on a notebook spiral, which is much, much smaller. And I was thinking of working on my content in quarters so I could take one of my ECs that I have apart. Let me grab one. Did you guys know that you were here for yet another planner chat? Hello. But I am grabbing the planner. I have this EC Hourly that I haven't touched. I really just wanted the cover. I'm mad about this cover situation. Let me vent about this for a second. I really wanted this cover in A5, right? Well, then when they released it, it was only in the 7x9 and maybe the 8.5 by 11. I don't know. It wasn't in A5. Well, then 2 weeks later, they pulled their heads out of their butts and came out with the A5. I was like, see, now I'm done. Anyway, the point is this planner. So I was thinking of, because I have extra notebook coils or just older notebooks that I never use that I don't mind taking off the coil, and then just doing like an October through December book with like a ton of notes pages and putting that on a notebook coil for my content. I thought that might be a good idea. I'm really thinking of doing that tonight. Anyway, let's get back to the plan with me. Okay, let's recenter. Okay, so I have kept the rest of what was left of the matching kit for this for my daily pages, and I'm so glad that I did that because there's so much with this kit. This is from the Celebrations collection from Chrissy Ann Designs. I will leave a link to her shop in the description box. Now, the Celebrations collection is no longer available. However, she does release add-on sheets to the Celebrations collection, so you could still kind of get some things, just not all the things. All right, so I'm just going to put AM routine here because, yes, I still do my AM routine on the weekends. And, yes, the time is correct on the weekends. 7 a.m. is pretty much my sleeping in time. All right, so I think we are going to do Lowe's after breakfast. I'm actually looking at stickers right now to see what all we have. I like this little, like, is it redundant to keep putting coffee cups? I don't know. Lots of coffee cups, but we're going to do breakfast right around here. I love being able to cook breakfast on the weekends. And then what I want to do is put one of these little squares. I love these and I don't use them enough, but this is going to be for our Lowe's and car wash. And the reason why we're doing it like that is because they're literally like right next to each other. They almost share a parking lot, almost. So I cannot wait to get my car washed and vacuumed. So that's going to be awesome. All right. And then some of the other things on the list, I think we're going to do the yard work later on in the day. So I'm trying to add more than just green on this page. Actually, let's go for the blue. I almost want to do it like this, actually, because the yard work will take a little bit, because we have to mow and do the trimming and all of that stuff. So we'll just kind of make it go from 1 o'clock to 3 o'clock. So far, it's looking like the weather is going to completely cooperate, which is fantastic. I'm just going to grab my slice tool and close my marker before we have a catastrophe on our hands. And let's see, actually, yeah, let's cut it right about here. And I don't know if I want to use a sticker with this. I feel like I don't have to, but I want to. Let's just use the blue. Let's just use the blue. Kind of. I just want to use all the stickers. That's what I want to do. Oh my gosh, I just lost the cap to my pen. All right, so yard work, and I spell yard worked. I don't know what I was thinking when I wrote that down. I guess I can fix it. Let's see if it's fixable. Yard work. That will have to do. Oh my God. I don't know. No, I can't. I can't. Let's use this little one over here. Okay, that is much better. All right, and then for the rest of the day, really, it's just going to be putting away laundry, and I thought I had a laundry basket in here, but I must have used it during the, I must have used it in the weekly plan with me. Let's just put that right around here. Odds and ends. Do we have anything that says odds and ends? I probably use that also. All right, so we'll just do housework here. That'll encompass the meal plan and the laundry stuff. Okay, and then really for the rest of the evening, it might be a whole lot of like Netflix, not even lying. I believe you came out today, actually on Friday, but we're not all home at the same time, and you know, especially Kayla and I, we want to watch it together. So that will probably be what our Saturday night is all about, and finishing just cleaning up and stuff. So yeah, whole lot of Netflix. I am so ready for that. You ever just need a weekend where you're not like doing 500 million things? You just need Netflix and your couch? That's where I'm at. Not really sure what is for dinner, but what I am going to do is put a sticker there. And I'll write it in probably after the fact. One of the things that I want to do is use up some of the embellishments because this kit is coming to an end. And I'm not really going to have a need to use all of these. So I might just use this I'm falling for you, and I don't know, just put that there. And I don't know, I think that might be it. I can't really think of where else to put things because I might add more things here. I pretty much won't add anything else to the content area, so I guess I can put this here and it won't be too bad. Oh my gosh, that is cute. All right, let me just back out just a little bit so you can actually see the whole page. All right, so there is my Saturday plans. I love this so much. I'm so glad that I started just using more stickers in here, like it just, I don't know. I felt like I was falling into that, like almost like that trap that things could only be neutral in this planner, which is so not the case, but love this. All right, guys, I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video, even if I did go off on like a little bit of a not really a tangent, but you know what I mean, a chat, if you will. So I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and if you're already subscribed, make sure that you click that red notification bell so that you know when my videos are posted here on YouTube. As always, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.